Hey, Gary here with you. In this video, I just want to jump in and show you how honestly, simply ridiculous, or how ridiculously simple this honestly is. Here on Warrior Plus, last 30 days, $841.55 as an affiliate. Click on more to check out the affiliate daily stats. You can see today I haven't made any money as an affiliate on Warrior Plus. But again, go out to the last 30 days and then take a look at the hops and the sales. It all comes from content that is created over at Publisher Report by simply making videos. You can see here I have 183 videos that I've made on this channel since I started it, and I simply just make these over the shoulder videos showing my face, and some of them I don't even show my face. Actually, the more popular ones, or the ones I've made the most money from, don't even show my face. Now, I don't know what that says about showing my face other than it's not required. Go to the About section of this. I started this channel June 11th, 2020. 217,341 views, because this is April 26, 2023. So that channel has been around for 3 years now. And again, the last 30 days, this isn't money every day, but if you go out and you look at the year to date, so this is for 2023, that's $2,427. The majority of this is from Publisher Report. There are some things that I promote here on 30-Minute Marketing, but the majority of this is in the low content space, which is what that channel is about. Go to Marketplace in Warrior Plus, go to categories, go to platforms, click on Amazon. These are the types of products on Warrior Plus that bring real benefit to an audience. These products are what's called PLR, or private label rights. They come with a commercial license where people can use them, meaning instead of going and outsourcing it as an individual or finding a person to do it for you, you go and you buy the product and you share the license with other people and you modify these elements. As well, if you go back to the categories, there's other categories, and one of the big categories here is software. And if you go to Publisher Report, and again, this is the channel that I created. It has 4,523 subscribers. Take a look at how simple this is. The content that I made in March 31, I made 2 videos. April 3rd, I made a video. A total of 3 videos to boost up what I had done in March. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 videos in March. Again, over a 30-day period. Understand, if I go to analytics, that same 28 days, I made an additional $98.10. And yes, that is only a few dollars a day. But if you take that back to Warrior Plus, you add that $93 to that $841.55, only making 6 videos in the month of March to cover that and do that over a 30-day period means all the other videos that I made are just sitting there working in the background. Simply do the math. Think about it as a math problem. I could make more videos. I could promote more products. I could utilize the email list that, yes, I have built using this channel. But understand that that channel is just a side hustle. It is not the main way that I make money, but technically it is a profitable online business because I make more money than I spend to operate it. If you'd like to see exactly how I do this and how I do it with Publisher Report specifically, click the link in the description. It'll take you over. It'll show you inside of Publisher Report. It'll show you inside of Warrior Plus, and you can see really just like I showed you here, but in greater depth, exactly what I do and exactly how I do it. No BS, just creating helpful content that helps people that have a problem. You show them the solution for that problem. You add your affiliate link in the description of the videos. They click it, they buy it, you earn money as an affiliate marketer. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, but don't forget that link in the description to show you in greater detail exactly how I do this. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later.